friends. So friends, this is a circle and we all have read in our textbook that the area of this circle is πr². But how we will identify or prove that the area of this circle is πr²? So let's learn how to prove the area of a circle is πr² by a small paper activity. Now we have to cut a small paper circle like this. Now we have to also mark the center. Now we have to fold this circle into a half. Now we have to fold it into 1/4. Now we have to again fold it into 1/8. Now this is a small triangular in shape. Now we have to open this circle. We will get some folded lines in this circle. We have to trace those folded lines. I have already done it. Now we have to cut each part. We will get a small triangular shape. Now in this way we have to cut the whole circle according to the traced lines. So now I have cut these 8 triangular pieces. Now we will arrange these pieces according to a order like this. This does not look like a rectangle, and if we add this piece like this looks like a parallelogram. So we will take the last piece and cut it into 2 equal halves and arrange one half here and another half at here. Now it looks like a rectangle, but the length of rectangle are made up of straight line, but these look curved line. So we will cut each triangular pieces into 2 equal half so that we will get 16 pieces, and we will arrange them in the same order so that we can get the length of the rectangle as a straight line. So now we have arranged those 16 pieces in a form of rectangle in the similar manner, and now we can see that the length of this rectangle looks like a straight line. Now the area of this circle is equal to the area of this rectangle, as we have divided this circle to form a rectangle. So we have to write. Now we know that the area of circle is πr², and we also know that the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Now let's find out what is the length of the rectangle. So the length of the rectangle is half of the circumference of this circle. So we will write 2 πr divided by 2. Now what is the breadth of this rectangle? This breadth of this rectangle is nothing but the radius of the circle. So we will put here r. Now if we do some further calculation, we will cut 2 by 2 and we will get πr², which is equal to the area of circle. So now we have proved that the area of this circle is equal to the area of this rectangle, that is πr². So now I hope that you have learned how to prove the area of this circle, that is πr², with the help of this small paper activity. Thank you.